However, if you want to turn off price alerts on CoinMarketCap, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open your CoinMarketCap application. Now from here, make sure that you know the coin name that you want to turn off price alerts for. For example, I want to turn off coin alerts, turn off the price alerts for the Bitcoin. So I have to tap on this BTC, or you can just go to the watch list. If you have added those coin in your watch list, then you can tap on that coin that you wish to turn off the price alert for. So here you'll find a bell icon that will show you that you have just turned on the price alert for this coin. So if you tap on it, from here you can see this price alert. If you find this turned on, then you can just make sure that you just need to tap on this toggle button for once to turn off this alert. So you can also delete it by swiping all over the left and then tap on this delete button, and it will totally delete the alert from here. Again, you can just make an alert by tap on this bell icon. So that's how you can simply turn off price alerts on CoinMarketCap. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.